Oh bhai, this is crazy! 4K QLED Google TV, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 120Hz high refresh rate, auto low latency mode, VRR, all of these for only 25,999. Hisense is back again with a brand new TV guys, and this looks like a value for money model. It's got like crazy features at a very affordable price of only around 25,999. It's a 43 inches 4K QLED TV, that to Google TV, and has all the gaming features you might be looking for, including 120Hz high refresh rate. I'm like very excited to see what this is actually capable of guys. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Hisense U6K TV came in this sort of box packaging. It's available in different size variants. Today we have the 43-inch variant for unboxing in the house. Has plenty of features. I'll be talking about all of them in this video. Plus the brand is also offering 3 years of warranty on this TV as a festive period offer for all the customers, valid till 15th of November. Quickly getting started with the unboxing. At the top we have a couple of accessories which include your TV stands, good quality and premium looking stands. Along with that you're also getting a wall mounting bracket included in the package itself. And look at this, there's also an accessory packet over here which includes a mains cord for the TV, and this one is your TV remote. It's a similar remote that you get with Hisense U7K, compact, smart and has plenty of shortcuts for OTT apps. Lastly in the package you also get some installation screws for the stands, 2 AAA batteries for the remote and some paper. Just make sure to read that. So that is pretty much it. These were all the accessories. Now let's finally take the TV out of the packaging and show you how it looks like. There you go boys, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Hisense all new U6K 2023 TV. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, use it for some time and then be right back to continue this video. Setup वेटअप सब हो गया guys. I've been using this Hisense U6K at my place for almost 5-6 days and I've been parallelly testing it along with the U7K, and today in this video I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. A lot of people actually have like a couple of questions regarding the panel quality, Dolby Vision support and also gaming related features, and I believe this video will give you full answers for all your questions. It's gonna be very informative guys. Make sure to watch this video till the end and do not skip any part. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the TV and talk about the design and the build quality. Hisense U6K is a 4K QLED Google TV just launched in the Indian market and is available in lots of different sizes. Today in the house we have the 43-inch variant and the pricing for this variant starts at only around 25,999. Talking about the design, U6K has a premium look and feel for the price point. From the front angle, it has a nearly bezel-less look and feel. 3-sided narrow bezel design is there, and on the bottom you do have a little bit of chin, but again that is also covered in a nice grey metallic sort of finish. You have the Hisense logo on the lower left corner, and at the center you actually have a couple of sensors and microphones as well. The U6K comes with ambient light sensor on board, which is pretty crazy for this price point. It will automatically adjust the panel's backlighting and brightness depending on the current environment and situation. And along with that you're also getting on board far field microphones for a hands-free Google Voice Assistant experience. I'll give you a demo of this at a later part in the video. And yes, you also have a physical switch to enable or disable the microphone on the TV right at the center. And overall build quality of the TV is nice, definitely feels solid and durable. Anyways, that was about the complete design and build quality. Let me quickly turn around the TV and give you a closer look at the back profile, and also we'll check out all the available connectivity ports on this model. You're getting one USB port to connect your storage devices, 3 HDMI ports are there, but only HDMI 1 supports EARC, keep that in mind. Along with that, you're also getting a headphone jack, RF antenna port is also there, optical digital audio out is available and an Ethernet port. And to the back side here, you're getting a service port and an AV in is also available. Now moving on, let's jump into the TV home screen and talk about the operating system, built-in apps and features. First of all guys, remember I've told you this is a Google TV and you're getting a very clean and modern looking Google TV UI. This is how the home screen on it looks like. You got variety of categories of sections, like movies section is there, TV shows, apps, library, and this one is your For You section, which will give you personalized recommendations and content from different sort of OTT platforms. And let me tell you, it's a Google TV, right? You're basically having access to all your favorite OTT applications, and most of them came like pre-installed on the TV, so you don't need to download anything separately. You're getting Netflix, YouTube is there, Disney Plus Hotstar, Amazon Prime Video, Sony Live, all of these apps are available. And yes, since since it's a Google TV, Play Store support is also there. You can download all your favorite apps and games easily from this app section. Overall TV performance was also nice. I had a pleasant experience navigating through the whole UI. I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters. App openings, closings, transitions, everything were smooth, and had a good experience on the U6K. Anyways, let's quickly head over to the settings and talk about the software details, onboard storage, and also Wi-Fi settings. First of all, guys, this TV supports dual band Wi-Fi. So yes, you can easily connect this TV to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network, and Wi-Fi performance is also good. And yes, you're also getting Bluetooth support as well. Now, if you talk about the operating system on board, I've told you now this is Google TV, and on board you're getting like Android version 11 out of the box. And talking about the storage, now in the storage settings, I believe we have around like 8 GB of storage on board, and since we've already installed like a couple of apps, right, we are left with around 5.8 GB of free space, which is like enough, guys, for a normal day-to-day TV experience. You've got lots of picture modes to choose from, like standard, dynamic mode is there, a natural mode is there, filmmaker mode is also available, so you can choose depending on the current scenario. And apart from that, you can easily adjust plenty of picture settings like backlighting, contrast levels, color saturation, sharpness, and yes, the U6K also has MEMC motion compensation. You have this special setting called as motion enhancement, from where you can enable it to smooth the settings, and you can get that smooth soap opera like effect on any sort of content that you're watching. So that was about the picture settings. And heading over to the sound settings, you're getting a couple of sound modes available, like standard mode is here, theater mode, music mode, and also a special cricket mode is also available. And not to forget, Hisense U6K also supports Dolby Atmos support, right? So obviously you can connect some good quality home theaters or maybe like sound bars to the TV and experience great quality sound, especially when you're watching like movie content or YouTube videos, stuff like that. Anyways, that was our complete overview on the operating system, built-in apps and features. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube and also some OTT related apps, play some videos over here, just have a look at these demos, and then we'll come back and talk about the picture and the audio quality.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Hisense is back again with a brand new model, and this is your all new U7K 4K TV, just launched in the Indian market, guys. And as I've told you just now, it's got some insanely next level features at a starting price of only around 54,999. First of all, it's a Hisense U6K is a 4K QLED Google TV, and it's available in variety of sizes. Today in the house we have the 43-inch variant. And before I actually share my experience and feedback, first of all keep in mind that it's an affordable category TV, and do not compare it with like premium models from Hisense only, maybe like U7K or their other series. Now for this price point, it was actually doing a good job, guys. As I've told you, I've been using this for the last couple of days. I've watched a variety of content like 4K videos on YouTube, Dolby Vision content on Netflix, and even Amazon Prime Video as well, and I was like really satisfied with the performance that you're getting for the price point. It's got native 4K resolution, there's nothing less to expect over here. Good amount of detail at 43 inches, everything looks crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching. And talking about the colors, color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point, all thanks to its QLED display, guys. Remember I've told you it's got like quantum dot layer on the front, and when light strikes these quantum dot particles, it produces strikingly beautiful primary colors. Especially look at those reds, greens and blues, beautiful and vivid looking colors you can expect on this TV. And yes, color accuracy also pretty nice. It's a very well calibrated display out of the box, so I didn't have to adjust the TV settings a lot. Definitely a plus point. If you talk about the contrast levels, first of all let me tell you, they haven't mentioned the panel used on board, but based on my experience and usage, I believe it's a VA panel, and you're getting like good amount of contrast levels, and black levels are also decent. If you ask about the viewing angles were good but slightly a bit limited, I would say. But hey, as I've told you, for this price point you can't complain much. It's quite acceptable, I would say. Brightness of the TV is also pretty nice. So based on my usage, I felt the TV was having around like 300-350 nits of max brightness, and is like enough for your day-to-day sort of usage, guys. It'll easily get your job done no matter where you're placing it, either in your living room, bedroom, aram se it'll get your job done. Now talking about the HDR performance, remember this TV also supports Dolby Vision IQ, HDR 10 Plus is there, HLG support is also there, and you will have a blast when you're watching content, maybe on Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, right? It was producing excellent amount of detail in both highlight and shadow areas, and actually had a good HDR experience on the U6K. On the overall, I'm telling you, right, you'll be very satisfied with the picture quality for the price that you're paying. Now, keeping the picture quality aside, let me also tell you about the speakers. You're getting stereo speakers with up to 24 watts of audio output, and yes, it also supports Dolby Atmos as well. And overall audio quality was decent, I would say, for the price point. It was producing crisp and clear vocals, dialogues were nice, easily understandable and audible, and audio output was also loud and satisfactory. If you're using this TV for a day-to-day sort of experience and you do not have like extra budget to spend on a home theater or soundbar, this will get your job done. But now if you're like an audio enthusiast and you're looking for like pro grade audio, right, I would highly recommend you to go for like an external home theater or maybe like a soundbar that supports Dolby Atmos, and you'll be set for your home. You'll have like a good experience in both picture and sound section. If you ask about the smart features, Hisense U6K has almost all the smart features you might be looking for. Wireless casting support is there, Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit support is also available, Google Home support is also there, and best part is for this price point, TV actually has like onboard far-field microphones and offers a hands-free voice assistant experience. You don't even need to touch your remote, guys. Simply say like this, "Okay Google, how's the weather right now?" And there you go, you get your results on the screen. Like, how convenient and useful is that? Finally, let's get into the gaming part. The brand says U6K supports a high refresh rate up to 120Hz, plus you're also getting support for VRR and auto low latency mode as well. But out of the box, you do not get this experience, guys. First, you'll need to go to the TV settings and enable game mode. And then you'll need to enable the special high refresh rate mode in the picture settings in the expert category section. The native refresh rate of this TV at 4K resolution is only 60Hz. That 120Hz high refresh rate is only available at a lower 1080p resolution. So do keep that in mind. Overall gaming experience was decent. I've been playing a couple of games on both my PC and console as well, and I had a good time in the last few days. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Hisense U6K. It's a great TV for the price that you're paying. You're getting 4K QLED display, Dolby Vision, Atmos support is also there, lots of gaming related features, and Google TV experience. As mentioned earlier, it's available at a starting price of only around 25,999, and Hisense is also offering an additional year of warranty 2+1 as a festive period offer up to 15th of November. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you were looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.